Hello, today I am going to start a lecture in which I am going to tell you about the area of a triangle, to find the area of a triangle using determinant method. That is a topic in a CBSE board 12th class NCERT. So now let's start to find how to find area of a triangle. So in this, as you know that to find area of a triangle, you have studied the basic formula if coordinates are given. If coordinates are given, so if you need to find the area of a triangle, first the formula is, so if you have three coordinates, suppose this is a triangle, and if you have three coordinates A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and C x3 y3. So you know the formula that area of a triangle is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula of a triangle to find its area. Now same thing we have to find using the determinant. So for that, area of a triangle will be, we have to write this point in a determinant form. So what we can write? We can write it as x1 y1 and last one 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this is the, and if you expand this, you will get the same formula. You can expand and see that you will get same formula whatever it is. So it will be in area of a triangle in square units. So now if second here, this is first thing what you need to know, and second thing is that if you have given area of a triangle and you have to find its coordinate. Now you know that area of a triangle is only found for a absolute value. So and you also know that area of a triangle is always a positive value, it cannot be negative. So whatever value you get from the determinant, whether it is negative or positive, so suppose you get a determinant value here, if you get, after solving this, if you get some value, suppose it is coming to be 10 plus 10 or 10 square unit, or suppose it is coming 10 square unit, or second minus 10 square unit. So you have always need to remember that you will always take a positive value, means that you have to always take a positive value, that absolute value. Absolute means a absolute positive value, absolute value of determinant, because we know that area is cannot be negative, so it will be always a positive value. So whether you will get, after solving any determinant, if you get positive or negative value, but you have to take only a positive value, because we need to take a absolute value of that determinant, because area of a triangle cannot be negative, it is a positive value and it is a square unit. So you have always take a absolute value of that determinant. Second concept is here is that if you have, you know that area of a triangle can always be positive, area of triangle is always positive, but its coordinate can be negative also. Coordinates can be negative also. So if you have, I will solve a question also related to this. So if you have one triangle here, if you have any triangle like this, and ABC are points are given, ABC, and you have points 3, 4 here, and 1, 3B, and C is K0, and you need to find the value of K, and area of a triangle is given. Area of a triangle is given. Suppose area of a triangle is given area of triangle is equals to 4 square unit. So when you solve, when you are going to find area of triangle, you will write it like this. I have told that 3, 4, 1, 1, 3, 1, and K0, 1, and then you will take what you will take area of triangle plus 4 and minus 4 also, because negative 4 also. For both these value you have to find the value of K, because K can be positive also and negative also. So you have to remember this, that whenever area of a triangle is given, then it will be positive also, because maybe it has come negative, but as we know that area of a triangle can be negative or positive only, so it has given positive. But when we are solving to find any coordinate, then you have to take both positive and negative values to find the value of K. So you will always get two values of K. And third concept here is this, that if you have given 3 points collinear points. Collinear means in a single line, means 3 points are lying in a single point. Suppose this is 1 point, this is 1 point, and this is 1 point. So we will write here also x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. These 3 points are in a same line. Collinear only means that they are lying in a same line. So if it is given that points are collinear, then you can see that these 3 points are in a same line, and then they are not going to make any triangle. Okay, so when they like this it is given, then you always have to remember that while finding if you have to find any coordinates or any coordinate value, then you have to remember then that as the lines are in collinear, then it will not going to form any triangle, then its area will always be equal to 0. Area of that triangle will be 0, because it is not going to make any triangle. So this will give you a equation of this line passing through these points. So for that, what you need to do, that area of a triangle will be 0, and that you can be found using like this: x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, and that will be equal to 0. Then you will get a equation of a line passing through these points. And this is not necessary that you have to write these x1 x2 in row 1 only. You can interchange also. If you know that if you interchange that, then one negative sign is there, but as we know that we have to find area, negative sign also comes, then also we have to take a positive only. So area of triangle is not going to change whether you interchange these points, these rows, row 1 to row 2 or row 2 to row 3. Next, now let's solve some of the questions related to this. So first question is, what it is saying, that we have to find the area of a triangle bounded by these three vertices. So as we know, what we are going to do, we will solve it. Area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2. So we will write -2, -3, 1, 3, 2, 1, -1, 8, 1. Now we will expand it. So we'll write here 1 by 2, this 2, and this will take 2. This is minus 8. So plus 8, minus of minus, this will become plus. So this and this will go off. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, and then plus 1, this one and this one. So 8 3s are 24, minus 24 plus 2. If you solve this, we'll get 1 by 2 minus 2 into 10 is minus 20, plus 3 4s are 12. So 12 will be here, and this is minus 22. So this will be 22, 40, 42 minus 12. It will be minus 1 by 2, 30, and final answer will be minus 15. As we know, we have to take only the absolute value. So it is 15 square units. So we have found this. Now next question. Sorry, I have written answer here. I will read this. Now we will solve. Okay, so what it is saying, that find the value of k if area of a triangle is 4 square units. So for finding out the area of a triangle, you know the formula. So first we will write area of a triangle. Area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2, and we will write it in a coordinates. So this will be k 0 1 4 0 1 and 0 2 1. And what I have told, that when you need to find the coordinates, then you have to take plus and negative sign both, plus minus 4. So now we will solve this. 1 by 2, what it will come, we will take here k 0 0 minus 2, and this is 0, so no need to take this one. We can write directly 1. This will go, this will go, then that will come 8. 8, so 8. Now we will expand this. So what we will get, 1 by 2 minus 2k plus 8 is equals to plus minus 4. If we take 2 to cancel, so we'll get here, this is equals to plus minus 4. So what we are left with, minus k plus 4 equals to plus minus 4. Now if you solve for these two values, what you are going to get, minus k plus 4 is equals to plus 4, and second minus k plus 4 is equals to minus 4. So from here what you will get, k is equals to 8, and from here you will get k is equals to 0. So we got two values of k, 0 and 8. So this coordinate can be, if you will take positive 4, positive value of a triangle, then you will get 0 0 coordinates, and if you are taking negative values of coordinate, then you are getting 0 coordinates. This is for +4 square unit and this is for -4 square unit. This is the area of triangle. So hope you understood this, how to find the coordinates of a triangle. Now suppose next question, in the third concept what we have discussed about that area of a triangle, means to find the equation of a line. So to find the equation of a line, as we know that if a line is there, then it is in the same line, it is in the 2 points are in the same line, then it is not going to form a triangle. So then we will make its area 0. Then we will get the equation of a line. So for that, what we are going to use, we will write formula, area of triangle is 0 equal to 1/2. We will write here these coordinates 1 2 1 3 6 1 and x y 1. Now we will expand this. We are expanding this. What you will get? 1/2. So 1 here means 6 minus y. Similarly this 2, this and this will go off, then 3 minus x plus 1, and last one what you will get? 3y minus 6x. So this is equal to 0. So 1/2 we will write is like this, 6 minus y minus 6 plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x equal to 0. This 6 and 6 will get cancelled off and you are left with y, this is 2y, and x 2y minus 4x by 1/2 equals to 0. 2 will get cancelled out. You are left with 1 minus 2x equal to 0. So equation of line is y equals to 2x. So we have found it with this. So hope these three concepts are clear, and related to these only the questions will come. So it will be easy for you if you go step by step and solve these. So hope you have understood. Thank you, and thank you. And for any queries you can write to us at samatvaacademy@gmail.com, and we will upload some exercise in our website, that is www.samatvaacademy.com. Thank you for visiting.